Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support. And if you currently use a voice over IP phone system or a VoIP phone system inside of your business, this is a tech tip for you today. So I hope you hang around and stick it out with me for a couple minutes for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. As always, I'm Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support. Let's go ahead and jump into this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. So voice over IP phones are fantastic. They're a great way to use the internet to work with your phones. They're the new age of technology. They're versatile. They can go anywhere. And that's the reason why they're just so popular this day and age in businesses. Now, one thing you have to do know is a voice over IP phone system is a computer system that you are functioning and using for your phones. So you may have cool phone trees, different extensions, all kinds of different designs of what a voice over IP phone system can offer you. Now, one component of a voice over IP phone system is that it does go through updates just like a computer does. Now, have you ever had a computer that goes through an update and it breaks the computer? That can happen the same way with your phone system. So whenever you do have this in place, once every 90 days, what you want to do is just call your phone number that you have for your business and just verify it works. The phone trees are working, nothing's broken, nothing's gone through and caused an issue, just to manage and make sure those updates are not impacting your phone, so you're not waiting for a potential client, customer, someone to call you to say, hey, your phones are having problems, they're down, because an update may have caused that type of problem. So go ahead and throw a calendar reminder inside of your calendar, keep up to date with that, give yourself a call every 90 days just to stay on top of that phone system you're leveraging for your business, just to make sure that whoever needs to call your business has the ability to do so. So if you have any questions, concerns, want to learn more about voice over IP phone systems, or you have questions about IT for your business that might be driving you crazy every day, we'd love to chat with you, see if Colorado Computer Support is potentially a good fit to help you out. You can reach us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. I appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.